Hi friends, let us discuss about reasoning paper explanations. So let's start right from question number 66. Among five friends, M, N, O, P and Q, each walking at a different speed, P is walking slower than N. So whatever the speed for P is there, P is walking slower than N. But so whenever the connector but is presented, we take starting letter, that is P is faster than Q. P is slower than that of N and P is faster than Q. Next, M is walking slower than Q. So as M is walking slower than Q, M will be after Q only. N is not walking at the fastest speed. As N is not walking at fastest speed, before to N already there will be a person who is faster than N. Then who is walking at the second slowest. So first slow, as we have only 5 persons, we are completed with 5 positions. First slowest is by M, second slowest is Q, that is option number 4. Next, 67. If each consonant in the word hunter is changed to the next letter, so consonant has to be changed as next letter in the English alphabetical series, and each vowel is changed to the previous letter in the English alphabetical series. Vowel should be changed as previous letter in the English alphabetical series, and then alphabets so formed are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. Which of the following will be second from the right? So there are three conditions in the question, that is consonant has to be changed as next letter, vowel should be changed as previous letter, and then whatever the new letters that are formed, make them into alphabetical order. Which of the following will be second letter from the right? So there is a word hunter. As per the data, first we need to change every vowel as its previous letter. Previous letter of U is T, previous letter of E is D. After changing vowels as the previous letters, consonant should be changed as its next letter. So next letter of H is I, next letter of N is O, next letter of T is U, next letter of R is S, and then alphabet so formed are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. Alphabetical order from left to right. So alphabetical order, nothing but from A to Z we need to rearrange all these into alphabetical order. Which of the following will be second from the right? Yes, we need to find from right. So try to understand friends, whenever we write the letters into alphabetical order, we take least letter at the left end and we'll consider highest letter at the right end, and we need to find out from right end. That means we need to consider highest letters, and second from the right is required, which means second highest letter will be our answer. So first highest letter among these letters is U, but second highest letter is required, that is T, option 5. Next, in a certain code, if wash clothes there is coded as that one. So if this type of question is given to us, directly try to read the question, then what is the code for there in the given code language? We just need to decode the word there. So wash clothes there, clothes to wash. So eliminate the common words, eliminate the common words. So here common words are clothes, and common words are wash also, and then eliminate decoding elements also, common decoding elements. So TA is common, PE is also common. After elimination of decoding letters, that means common letters and common words, remaining on the left hand side is there. On the right side we have NU, and we need to decode there only. So there has to be coded as NU, that is there in option 5. Next. So here we have 5 numbers. If 4 is added to second list of every odd number, 2 is subtracted from third list of every even number, in how many numbers thus formed will be third digit be greater than second digit? Third digit has to be greater than that of second digit. Okay. 4 is added to the second list of every odd number. First choose odd number. whatever the second digit of odd number is there, just add 4 to that number. So 341 is an odd number, and second digit is 4. We need to add 4 to that 4. 4 plus 4 will be 8. Remaining will be as it is. And then third digit must be greater than second digit, but third digit is 1. 1 is not greater than 8, so it is not valid one. And next odd number here is exactly 915. Second digit is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Third digit has to be greater than second digit, but 5 is not greater than 5, so it is also invalid. And the next one, 4 is added to the second digit of every odd number, so this is next odd number. Second digit is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, so third digit must be greater than that of second digit, but third digit is 3 is not greater than 9, so it is invalid. After completion of condition related to odd number, we don't have any number which is in which third digit is greater than second digit. Now let's move on to even number. 2 is subtracted from third digit of every even number. From third digit of every even number, 2 has to be subtracted. 724, third digit is 4. I need to subtract 2 from the third digit. That is 4 minus 2 is 2. But second digit is not, third digit is not greater than second digit, so it is invalid one. Next even number is 536. So 2 is subtracted from the third digit. 6 minus 2 is 4. So therefore third digit is greater than second digit. Third digit is 4. 4 is greater than 3. So we have only one such case, that is there in option number 2. Next 70. If 1 is subtracted from all odd digits in all the numbers nothing but whether the number is an even number or odd number, irrespective of that, if at all odd digit is available, subtract 1 from odd digit, and then in which of the following numbers will difference between first and third digit be more than 3. Difference between first and third be more than 3. Okay, just as in options we have numbers, let us verify our answer through options only, right? So wherever odd digit is there, we need to subtract 1 from that odd digits only. As already 9 and 5 are the odd digits, whatever the difference between 9 and 5 is there, after subtracting 1 from both 9 and 5, again difference will be same, right? So difference between 9 and 5 is 4, and we are asked to find out the difference as more than 3. Yes, 4 is more than that of 3, hence option number 1 is my answer. And fifth option is like number only, so first option is our answer. Next 71. If all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, so descending order nothing but from highest number to lowest number, we will write each and every number so that we can find out order of numbers as descending order. Okay, if all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, which of the following will be sum of all the 3 digits of the number which is second from the right? Okay, if we write all the numbers into descending order nothing but highest number to lowest number is required. Which means that on left hand we'll be getting highest number, and on the right hand we'll be getting least number. Then the question is, what will be, or which of the following will be sum of all the 3 digits of the number which is second from the right? From the right nothing but we'll get only least numbers, as we are going to write them into descending order. But second from the right nothing but second lowest number will be the number which will be second from right. So first lowest number is 253, but we need to get second from right. Second lowest number is 341. Sum of all the 3 digits is required. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Nothing but option number 2. 72. If in each number all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number, so we need to write digits in each number into ascending order within the number, what will be difference between lowest and highest number thus formed, difference between lowest number and highest number thus formed. Right, now try to understand. If you write each and every number into ascending order within the number, then ascending order nothing but from lowest number to highest number, from lowest digit to highest digit is required. So for that reason 341 ascending order will be starting right from 1. Next 724 will be starting with 2. 724 will be starting with 2. Next 915 will be starting with 1. Next it starts with 3, and next one starts with 2. Next one starts with 2. As least digit among these three is 2, so ascending order will be starting with 2. And we are asked to find out the difference between highest and lowest number thus formed. Among these numbers, highest is 3. Then ascending order of 536 will be exactly 356. 356. And lowest number is required. As 1 is in 2 places, in order to get lowest number I need to go for second digit verification. After 1 will be getting 3 here, after 1 will be getting 5. Between 3 and 5, as we need to get lowest number, obviously lowest is 3, that will be 134. And we need to get difference between these two, that will be exactly 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2, option number 5. Next 73. The positions of first and third digits of each of the numbers are interchanged. So first and third digits have to be interchanged. For example, if there are 3 digits 1, 2, 3, if I interchange first and third digit, then obviously first digit will go to third position and third digit will come to the first position, right? Then what will be the resultant if first digit of highest number thus formed is divided by the third digit of lowest number thus formed? We need to get highest number and lowest numbers. So after interchanging first and third digit, 341 will be starting with 1 only. Next 724 will be starting with 4. Next it starts with 5. Next 6 and then 3. We need to get first digit of highest number. Among all these numbers, highest number is 6. As we need to get first digit, that itself 6 divided by third digit of lowest number. As lowest number is this one, third digit is nothing but current first digit will be third digit after interchanging, that will be 3. 6 by 3 is nothing but option number 5. 6 by 3 is 2, that is there in option number 5. Next, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word wrath, each of which has as many letters between them in the word in both forward and backward directions as they have between them in English alphabetical series? Okay, how many such pairs of letters are there? Usually we can find out answer for this question by using letters, or by using numbers also we can get the answer. By using letters or numbers also we can get the answer. Let us get the answer by using numbers. W R A T H, and then as highest number among all these numbers is 23, so I can stop with 23. I don't have to cross the number 23 here, right? From 23, as all these numbers are less than 23, I don't have to count with the 23, because if I count with the 23, I'll be getting like 24, 25, 26. But all these numbers are less than 23, counting is not required. Next 18, after 19 it is 20. Yes, exactly 18 and 20 are the first pair. 18 and then 21. Next 1, 2, 3, 20, 21. In forward direction there is only one pair. We need to count in backward direction also. That is 8, 9 is not there, 10, 11, 12. Next 20, 21, 22, 23 is presented, which means 20 and 23 are the second pair so far. Next 1, 2, 3, 18, 19. So total we have only 2 pairs. Answer to option number 4. Answer to option number 4. Next 75. 75. In a certain code language, spots is coded as NQRU Rain is coded as PWGP. Then in the same code language, DIT will be coded as, okay, POTS. POTS is coded as NQRU. So let us verify the logic behind the question. 16 is becoming 14. That means 16 minus 2 is 14. 15 plus 2 is 17, 20 minus 2 is 18, 19 plus 2 is 21. Here minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 alternatively. Then for the word rain also, R minus 2 is P, U plus 2 is W. They are following in the same way. We need to decode the word data. So as D is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. Second letter in English alphabet is B. So answer must be starting with B. Next after that 17 plus 2 is not, sorry, second letter here is already I. 9 minus 2 is required. 9 minus 2 is nothing but G. 9 plus 2. So 9 plus 2 is nothing but K. Next E minus 2 is required. E minus 2 is nothing but C. E minus 2 is nothing but C. Next T plus 2 is nothing but V. So answer is BKCV, that is there in option number 1. Next 76. So we have 7 people, namely J, K, L, M, N, O and P have 7 different seminars on 7 different days of the same week, starting from Monday ending on Sunday. Here week is same and that week starts from Monday and ending on Sunday, not necessarily in the same order. Okay. So let us start solution right from Monday. So that is Monday, next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We have 7 days. We have started right from Monday as per the data. L has a seminar on Thursday. On Thursday we need to place L. And the next condition, only 2 people have a seminar between L and M. 2 between L and M. 1, 2, M may be here, or 1, 2, M may be on Monday. So that is what, let us take it on left side, so that 2 between L and M. Only 3 people have a seminar between M and N. 3 between M and N. If M is here 1, 2, 3, it is the position for N. If M is here 1, 2, 3, it is the position of N. So that 3 between M and N. And the next condition says that P has a seminar immediately before K. P has a seminar immediately before K. Okay. So as P has a seminar immediately before K, in order to place P and K, we need to have 2 consecutive days as vacant. P has a seminar immediately before K. If at all K is there, immediately before 2K, we can place P. So this is one possibility. P has a seminar immediately before K. If K is here, P has a seminar immediately before K. It is another possibility. Same on the left side also. That is, P has a seminar immediately before K. P has a seminar immediately before K. We have 2 possibilities here also. Next, we have a very good condition that P neither has a seminar on Tuesday nor on Friday. Yes, P should not have seminar on Friday. Due to that reason, this is eliminated. When P is eliminated, obviously K will also be eliminated. P and K will be fixed here. And in this possibility, P should not be on Tuesday. As P should not be on Tuesday, this will be eliminated. And these are the positions of both P and K. And the next condition, J has a seminar on one of the days after K, but not on Saturday. After K, if K is here, after K we don't have any some other day to fix J. As we don't have any some other day, this is perfectly eliminated. After K only we need to place J, but not on Saturday. Yes, J is not on Saturday. Obviously J must be on Friday. And the remaining letter to be fixed is J, K, L, M, N, O and P. So O is the remaining letter left over, that is completed. So this is the answer of the question. Next, 81. We have a set of question related to blood relations. R is brother of K. Yes, R is brother of K. For example, it is the position for R. R is the brother of K. Next, U is father of K and S. U is father of K and S. And then S is married to C. S is married to C, but genders are not defined so far for S, C, and K. S is married to C. C is daughter of Z. C is daughter, which means C must be a female of Z. Yes, C is daughter of Z. C is a female member. C is already married to S. Then S must be a male member. Next, C is daughter of Z. Z is wife of D. Z is wife of D. Yes, Z is wife of D. Z is a female, and then D will be a male member. So everything is completed except gender for K. K's gender has not mentioned. Then the given question is how is R? They are asking about R. How is R related to C? To C. So which means to C. C को R ఏమవుతారు? How is R related to C? With respect to C, to C. C's husband and then husband's brother is R. Husband's brother is called as brother-in-law, that is there in option number 2. Next, 82. How is S related to D? They are asking about S. That how is S related to D? S D కి ఏమవుతారు? S D కి ఏమవుతారు? D ని అడిగితే సరిపోతుంది కదా. Then D says that I have a daughter. The daughter's husband is S. Daughter's husband is called as son-in-law. Option number 2. Next, 83. If nothing but this is extra data for the actual data. If P is the only child of K, P is the only child of K, so only child nothing but gender is not confirmed for P. P is the only child of K. Then how is P related to U? Yes, we don't know the gender of P, but how is P related to U? Nothing but gender of P is required, which is not mentioned. Hence the answer is cannot be determined for this question. Answer for this one is cannot be determined. I think it is option number 5. Option number 5. Next, question number 84. Now we have a question with respect to directions. N is 16 meters west of S. N is 16 meters west of S. For example, it is letter S. West of S, we need to place N and then 16 meters. N is 16 meters west of S. N is 16 meters west of S. For example, it is letter S. West of S, N 16 meters. N is 16 meters west of S. X is 13 meters north of N. X is 13 meters north of N. North of N, X and then 13 meters. X is 13 meters north of N. Julia, who is standing 6 meters south of S. 6 meters south of S. South of S is this one. 6 meters south of S. Here we have a person named Julia. As for the question, it is given that Julia, who is standing 6 meters south of S, which means that it is the current position of Julia. As it is current position of Julia, I can call this as starting point of Julia. Walks, nothing but Julia walks 8 meters towards west. 8 meters towards west. So from this west, nothing but it is west. 8 meters west is required. It is already 16 meters, but 8 meters nothing but half of that one is required. 8 meters towards west. Next, afterwards, takes a right turn and walks 12 meters. Right turn nothing but it is only right turn 12 meters. As it is of 6 meters, but we need to make it as 12 meters. 12 nothing but up to here 6 only. 6 plus 6 is required. It was already 13, but we need to make just 6 only. We need to stop here. So 12 meters. It was earlier 16 meters. Out of 16, 8 is completed. Remaining will be 16 minus 8, nothing but 8. So 12 meters right, then 12 meters. She takes a left turn, walks for 8 meters and stops at F. She takes a left turn. So it is only left turn. stops at F after walking 8 meters. As it is 8 meters, she will reach to this point and it will be named as F only. So it was total 13. Out of 13, 6 was completed. Remaining will be 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 nothing but 7 meters. Distance between X and F will be 7 meters. Then the question is, in which direction is point N? In which direction is point N? They are asking about point N. In which direction is point N with respect to Julia's starting point. So this is only Julia's starting point. With respect to Julia's starting point, this is the direction that we need to calculate. Right, so this is north direction and it is west direction, but line lies between north and west. Line అనేది north కి west కి మధ్యలో నుంచి వెళ్ళింది కాబట్టి that is called as northwest. Option number 1. 85. How far and in which direction is point F? They are asking details about F, that how far and in which direction is F with respect to X. With respect to X అంటే X దృష్ట్యా మనం ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. Yes, this is the point of X. With respect to X south direction, distance is 7 meters. 7 meters south direction, that is there in option number 4. 86. We have questions related to inequalities. Right, so now a symbol is opened from F to M. Symbol is opened towards F. F to M line is required. From F, symbol is open, so we can reach to C. Obviously, we can reach to M. Hence, 1 is definitely true. Second one, C to Q is required. Just as it is M equal to C, I can replace M with C. It is C greater than or equal to Q. Here also they gave you C greater than or equal to Q. Hence, the answer is both 1 and 2 are true. Option 5. Next, H2L is required. Just look at L. Towards L, symbol is closed here. H greater than L. Towards L, symbol is closed, but towards L, symbol is open. Due to that reason, I can simply eliminate first conclusion. Next, B to T is required. Yes, B to T line is required. B to V possible. V to T also possible. Hence, it is true. So that the answer is only 2 follows. Next, M to Z is required. M to Z is required and then equal is also needed. So common letter is T here. M to O equal is available. Obviously we can reach to T because O equal to T annaru. Next, afterwards from T, as symbol is closed, we can't reach to Z, as we are unable to reach Z. It is definitely wrong. Next, Q to D is required. Common letter is T. Right, as symbol is opened from Q, Q to T line is possible. From T, symbol is not moving further, hence it is wrong. The answer is neither 1 nor 2 follows. Again we can answer same question in some other way, that is Z is here, towards Z symbol is closed, but in this statement towards Z symbol is open. In statement it is open, but in conclusion it is closed. That means both are contradictory in the statement and conclusions, so definitely it will be wrong. Next, observe letter D. Towards D symbol is opened here, but towards D symbol is not open. That means both are in contradiction, hence it is also wrong. So the answer for this question is neither 1 nor 2 follows. 89. Look at conclusions here. Alphabet letters are same. If at all alphabet letters are same, then answer may be either or. Answer may be either or. Either or avvochu. Let's confirm it here. Right. So T to X is required along with equal sign. T to X along with equal sign. And common letter is identified as P. T to P equal is available. P to Z again equal is available. Next, Z to W equal is available. So obviously W వరకు వచ్చావంటే X వరకు వచ్చినట్లే, because in between these two we have equal. So T నుంచి X వరకు మూవ్ అవ్వగలుగుతున్నాము, ఎవ్రీవేర్ ఈక్వల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ either 1 or 2 follows. That is option number 4. Next, 90. So N to Y is required. N to Y, N to C equal is there, C to Y equal is missing. In conclusion also equal is missing, hence it is true. Next, G to C is required, but in between G and C we have opposite symbols. Whenever opposite symbols are presented, we call the conclusion as wrong. Next, 91. So G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N means total we have 8 letters are sitting around a circular table facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. It is mentioned about circle, total we have 8 members. Only one person sits between K and H. As one person between K and H, if I want to start my solution, I'll be getting two possibilities. Let us start our solution by taking both the possibilities as well. Right. Now, the first condition says that only one person sits between K and H. If H is here, one person sits between K and H. Maybe K is here. Or if H is here, one person sits between K and H. And the next condition, L sits third to the left of H. Yes, L sits third to the left of H. H is here. First left, second left, third left is by L. L sits third to the left of H. Next condition, M sits second to the right of L. Yes, M sits second to the right of L. L is facing inside, so it is right of L. First right, second right is by M. So M sits second to the right of L. Same, first right, second right is by M. So that M sits second to the right of L. Next, J sits second to the left of G. J sits second to the left of G. G is not an immediate neighbor of L. G is not an immediate neighbor of L, which means that G cannot be possible in these two positions. And wherever G is there, J sits second to the left of G. G is not possible here. If G is here, first left to second left is not vacant to fix J, which means G will be eliminated from there. So it is the position for G, and then J sits second to the left of G. Next, in this possibility, G is not an immediate neighbor of L, so G cannot be possible here. If G is here, second to the left of G, J, but J is not possible. If G is here, first left, second left is already by H, again J is not possible. So then it is the only one position left over for G. First left of G, second to the left of G is by J. So that J sits second to the left of G. And the next condition says that N is an immediate neighbor of J. Yes, N is an immediate neighbor of J. If J is here, neighbor of J, we cannot place N because already neighbor of J are both K and H. Then we cannot place N as neighbor of J in this possibility. Due to that reason, it is eliminated. N is an immediate neighbor of J. So it is the position for J. And we need to get one more letter. I think that is G, H. I is the letter which is missing, so it is the final answer for the question. Next, 96. It is based on alphanumeric series. So we have alphanumeric series. If all the numbers are deleted from the given arrangement, then which of the following will be eighth element from the right end? We need to get eighth element from the right end, and after deleting numbers, which means from right end we will take eighth element, but while counting eighth element from the right end, we don't have to count numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth element from the right hand is L, that is there in option number 4. Next, which of the following will come next in the given sequence? So in this sequence we need to replace with one of the suitable options, right? So now WY dollar, here we have W and Y, immediate left of Y we have dollar. Next 8XR, 8XR. So earlier here between W and Y we have two elements gap, and then immediate left of Y is dollar. 8 and X. Between 8 and x we have 3 elements. Immediate left of x is immediate. Here we have w and y. Immediate between w and y we have 2 elements. Left of y is dollar. Next here we have 3 elements between 8 and x. Immediate left of x is by r. After that at the rate and m. Between at the rate and m we have 4 elements gap. Immediate left of m is by 4. Next hash and plus, between hash and place 1 2 3 4 5 elements gap is there. First 2 elements, 3 elements, 4 elements, 5 elements. Then we will be getting definitely 6 elements gap between these two, and then next element will be immediate left of this one. First I need to identify the starting element. Just look at the sequence. Here we have dollar and 8. Between dollar and 8, or you can observe in this way also, y and 8. Between y and 8 no gap. Next between y and 8 no gap. Between second element and at the rate, between x and at the rate no gap. Next m and hash no gap. After plus whatever the element is there, I need to take same element, that is 7. So my answer must be starting with 7. We have two options. After 7, as we discussed, here we have 2 elements, 3 elements, 4 elements, 5 elements gap. After 7, I need to leave 6 elements as the gap, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements gap. Then we'll be getting 3 7 3, nothing but option number 4. Option number 4. Next 98. 4 of the following 5 are alike. So 4 are alike out of 5. Means 4 options will be same with one logic. One option will be different from that logic, and we need to find out that one only. Means odd one out. P3D, just observe the positions of P3D, P3 and then D. So here P and D are immediate neighbors. P and D are immediate neighbors, and then after D, by leaving 3 elements, they gave you 3. After D, by leaving 6 cap H, they gave you 3. Okay. Next observe B and A. B and A are the neighbors. After A, by leaving 3 elements only, we have plus. So first option, second options are similar in logic, which means first option, second option cannot be our answers. Next third option, 8 and percentile. 8 and percentile as the neighbors. After percent, by leaving 3 elements, they gave you at the rate. Again third option is also same. So definitely my answer will be between either fourth option and fifth option. X and at the rate. X and at the rate. X and at the rate are the neighbors. After at the rate, by leaving 3 elements, we have 4. So first 4 options are same in logic. Hence fifth option must be the odd one out. Next 99. How many such letters are there? We need to find out letters. That how many such letters are there in the given arrangement, each of which is, which nothing but this letter. Every letter is immediately preceded by a symbol. Preceded by a symbol, and also immediately followed by a number. And also immediately followed by a number. So we need to get letters, each of which should be immediately preceded by a symbol and followed by a number. Though we are asked to find out letters, but finding letters in the sequence will be somewhat difficult than finding symbols and numbers. Always try to get answer using either symbols or numbers. So I just want to get the answer by using symbols. After symbol we need to get a letter, and after letter we should get a number. Symbol, letter, number. We have a symbol after letter and the number. It is perfectly valid. Symbol, letter, number is not there, so it is invalid. Symbol, letter, number is there, so it is valid one. So far 2. Symbol, letter, but number is not there. After B there is no number, so it is invalid. Symbol after there is no letter, so it is invalid. Symbol, letter, number, it is valid one. So we have total 3 such cases. 3 nothing but option number 2. 3 nothing but option number 2. Next 100. So in a certain code, based on the following or based on the given arrangement, BUG is coded as 4 to H. This question has to be answered by using the above sequence only. And let me rewrite the question, that is BUG is coded as 4 2H. Now observe B and 4 here. B and 4. So with respect to B, first left, second left, third left. Third to the left of B is 4. Next U2. So U and then 2 is required. Immediate right of U is 2. Next GH. G and H. Third to the left of G is by H. First and last elements are third left elements with respect to above element, but it is an immediate right. So let us verify one more thing. ARC. ARC has to be coded as MXL. Let us observe A. Third to the left of A must be M. Third to the left of A. A is here. Third to the left of A is M. Immediate right of R has to be X. Immediate right of R is X. Third to the left of C must be L. First left, second left, third left is by L. Then how will be red coded in the given code language? So R is required. Third to the left of R, first left, second left, third to the left of R is by 8. Answer has to be starting with 8. Next E, immediate right of E is required. Immediate right of E is nothing but R. 8 after we need to get R. Next D, third to the left of D is required. First left of D, second left, third to the left of D is by 7. 8 or 7 nothing but option number 4. So these are the questions related to reasoning. Let's move on to the number series questions. I think they are from question number 31. Right. So what will come in place of question mark in the given number series? Okay, it is right number series. As the number series is increasing order, we go for addition. And numbers are closer to each other, so we will confirm that as additions only. So 10 becomes 34. 10 plus 24 is 34. 34 plus 22 is 56. Next plus 18 and then we have plus 12. So it is the difference. Let us take the difference of difference, that is 24 minus 2. 24 minus 2 is 22. 22 minus 4 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Next minus 8 is required. 12 minus 8 is nothing but 4. As we need to make addition, 86 plus 4 is required. 86 plus 4 is nothing but 90. That is there in option number 1. Next 32. 12, 15, 24, 51. Though it is 375, but let us verify the numbers which is related to additions because beside of highest number we have question mark, and 15 double is 30, but number is not near about 30. Next 24 double 48, it is nearer to 48, and number series is not related to multiplications. So let's go for additions. 12 plus 3 is 15. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 27 is 51. 3, 9, 27 nothing but 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is 81. So I need to add 81 to 51. So digit must be ending with 2. Ending with 2 nothing but option number 2. Next 33. So 5, 4, 6. Series is getting decrease and continuously it is going on for increase. Okay. So let us verify the series with respect to multiplication and combination. 5 into 1 is 5. Into 1 minus 1 is 4. Next afterwards into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Next into 3. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 minus 3 is 15. Next into 4. 15 into 4 is 60. 60 minus 4 is 56. Into 1 minus 1. Into 2 minus 2. Into 3 minus 3. Into 4 minus 4. Next into 5 minus 5 is required. 50 into 5 is 250. 60 6 into 5 30, that is 280. 280 minus 5 275. Option number 2. Next 34. As numbers are nearer to each other, again let us focus on additions. 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. 24 plus 10. 24 plus 10. Right? So 2, 5, 10. With 2, 5, 10, there is no special logic because they are neither prime numbers nor even numbers and odd numbers as well. Let us take again difference. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 3 plus 5. If I make it as plus 7, for example, then 10 plus 7 is 17. 34 plus 17 is exactly 51. 51. So after making 51 here, you can confirm your number, that is 51. Next one, it is 26 here. 26. 17 plus 26 is 17 plus 9 is 26. As logic is getting confirmed, then it is based on 51 as the answer. Next, the last question. Series is decreased, again decreased, and then it is related to increasing order. At the same time, we have point values. As we have point values, let's observe the series with logic including with point values. That is exactly 15 into 0.5 is 7.5. That is half of 15 is 7.5 into 0.5 minus 0.5 is 7. Next, 7 into 1 is 7 minus 1 is 6. After that, 6 into 1.5 is 9 minus 1.5 is 7.5 into 0.5 minus 0.5 into 1 into 1.5. Obviously it will be into 2 minus 2. 7.5 into 2 is 15 minus 2 is 13. After that, into 2.5 minus 2.5 is required. 13 into 2 is nothing but 26. Half of 13 is 6.5, and then minus 2.5 is required. Then it will be 4. 26 plus 4 will be 30. 30 is there in option number 4. 30 is there in option number 4.